to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lainey. I post videos about Lolita fashion and cosplay and all of that fun stuff, so if that appeals to you, be sure to like and subscribe and blah blah blah, social medias and description box. Anyways, let's get started. For today is actually going to be a collab video with a bunch of other Lolita YouTubers. All of us are saying what we are grateful for this fall. So if you'd like to check out anybody else's videos, they will all be in a playlist, and that playlist will be linked down below. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm just gonna hop right into the emotional mess that I am. Anyways, the number one thing that I am grateful for is the community that this has brought me. I went to my first meetup in high school, and I went to another one last year. I've been to a couple online ones since quarantine, and something I noticed is just how accepting and how diverse the communities are. If you go to a meetup, if you meet Lolitas, you're going to find people of every type of background. You're going to find people of every different height and body shape and skin color and gender identity and sexuality and just everything. So as someone who struggles with my gender identity, sexuality, all that fun stuff, I really found a place where I feel welcomed and accepted within the Lolita community, and that's really rare to find. It's really rare to find a community that is as inclusive as this one is, and it's just something that I am really, really grateful for. I'm so grateful to all of the friends that I have made along the way. I am so grateful to the experience and to the help that I have received. I am grateful to the people who have said, "Oh, I found this dress you might like, here you go." I am grateful to the people who have gifted me Lolita cords and have helped me pursue my passion. And I'm really grateful for the platform that I have, because without this I would not be dressing the way that I want to dress. I would not be able to afford the way that I want to dress, and I don't think I would have found my communities if it hadn't been for having any sort of social media platform. And I know that sounds like dumb too, but like really though, I found my community back home, my com back home, through someone who I met through my Instagram. I think what triumphs for me and the thing that I hold most dearest to me is just the people that I've met and the community that I have been a part of. So we're just gonna keep this short and sweet to the point. Thank you so much for those who have influenced me. Thank you so much to those who have accepted me. And thank you so much to those who have given me the privilege of being their friend. Thank you.